Contour surveying plays a crucial role in the construction and development of land. It involves the measurement and mapping of the physical features of a particular area, including its elevation and topography. In Gurgaon Sector 23, there is a reputable firm called Contour Surveyors Gurgaon Sector 23 that specializes in providing accurate and reliable contour surveying services. With their expertise and advanced equipment, they are able to create detailed contour maps that are essential for various purposes such as land planning, engineering design, and environmental assessment. One of the key services offered by Contour Surveyors Gurgaon Sector 23 is Scon design. Scon design refers to the creation of site plans that depict the location and arrangement of buildings, roads, and other structures within a specific area. With their extensive knowledge and experience in Scon design, Contour Surveyors Gurgaon Sector 23 is able to provide comprehensive site plans that meet the requirements and goals of their clients. It is essential to have accurate and up-to-date information about the land characteristics and features in order to plan and execute construction projects effectively. With their team of skilled professionals and state-of-the-art technology, they are able to deliver high-quality contour surveying services that meet the needs of their clients in Delhi. Contour Surveyors Gurgaon Sector 23 utilizes advanced surveying equipment and techniques to ensure accurate measurements and precise mapping. Their team of experienced surveyors then analyze the collected data to create detailed contour maps that accurately represent the elevation and topography of the surveyed area. These maps are valuable resources for architects, engineers, and urban planners as they provide essential information for designing and constructing buildings, roads, and other infrastructure. Contour surveying is essential to the building and development of land. It entails measuring and mapping a specific area's physical characteristics, such as its terrain and height. Contour Surveyors Gurgaon Sector 23 is a reputed business in Gurgaon Sector 23 that specializes in offering precise and dependable contour surveying services. They are able to produce precise contour maps with their knowledge and cutting-edge tools, which are necessary for a variety of projects like engineering design, environmental evaluation, and land planning. The provision of Scon design is one of the main services provided by Contour Surveyors Gurgaon Sector 23. Scon design is the process of drawing out site designs that show how roads, buildings, and other structures should be arranged inside a given space. As it promotes optimal land use and infrastructure design, this is a crucial component of urban planning and development. Contour Surveyors Gurgaon Sector 23 is able to produce thorough site plans that satisfy the needs and objectives of their clients thanks to their in-depth expertise and experience in Scon design. Since Delhi is India's capital, it experiences ongoing expansion and development. In order to efficiently plan and